live noneho reka dukore ibiceri. Ejo twagize like 3,000 kandi nari nabasabye 10,000. Urumva nyine mwaranengushye ariko mwisubireho. Mbere na mbere mumeze mute? Murashima Nyagasani? Gusa nabo twabonye turabashimira kabisa. Ikindi abantu bari bwongere gusaba kuzamuka bo ndi bubibemerere, ariko noneho ndi bubishyuze. Urabanza impano y'amadolari 100 mbone nkuzamure. Kagafanta nsomyeho buriya nakabantu bakuru ntago nabaha kuko muri abantu batoya mwebwe. Ndatumira Debora, ndatumira Sediki, ndatumira Koko, ndatumira witwa Igicaniro, ndatumira uyu Peace, ndatumira witwa Puchuri, The Marvin, ndatumira Sumaya, ndatumira Nibi, Mutoni Waze, Muhoza Françoise na Relatitia Fashion n'undi na muri benshi kabisa. Muri benshi nta kibazo. Ndabona uwa mbere yagezeho. Hi
bro, how are you?
ndabona connect ariko zirakunda kabisa. Ndi gukoresha internet yanjye. Uri umunyarwanda?
Hi bro, how are you?
Hi. Fine. Are you a Rwandan?
I'm not in Rwandan.
Hi.
But I'm in your country.
Hey, you are not Rwandan?
Yeah, but I'm in your country.
You are in my country. You are in Rwanda.
I'm in Rwanda.
Yes.
We have a show. We have a concert on Sunday with Jose Chameleon.
Oh. Yeah, but I'm a Rwandan too. I'm in Rwanda. I'm making this live to teach people how to make money on TikTok.
Oh,
I have. You
good.
see, I have tips. I wrote tips. You see, I'm going to explain to Rwandans, even anyone from any country, how to make money on TikTok. Tips to be viral and make money.
Oh, that's good. I think I will learn from you.
Yeah, but it is what?
I think I will learn from. Where did you locate it from?
I'm in Kigali, Rwanda.
Kigali, Rwanda. Where exactly?
Yeah.
Where? Exactly?
Remera, Gasabo district.
Remera. Oh.
Remera.
Yeah,
I'm nearby.
Exactly.
Do you know
Rwanda.
BK Arena? Hey.
I don't know Rwanda here.
Do you know BK Arena?
It is my first time to come
Hey, it's
here.
your first time?
I don't. Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, but me too. I'm from Rubavu, but I live in Kigali, Remera. I'm a student in a university.
Oh.
Yeah.
We are going to perform at Kigali University.
Oh, it is raining outside. That's why I'm not listening to you.
Oh.
It is raining outside. Yeah.
But there is no rain in Rwanda here. It's not raining, but it sounds like it's going to rain, as I can see.
Oh.
Yeah.
You see, the climate in this country, you see, it is different parties. So that's why here in Remera it is raining. So, but it's not very hard. But it is raining. That's why I'm not understanding you very. Sorry, I'm not listening to you very well. But I think no. Now I can listen to you now. Tell me.
Oh. Yeah, I was
Now
saying.
it's Yeah,
How I said, I will learn from you. I will learn from you. You will teach me. Oh, you come. Oh,
yeah, I
you come
can.
on Sunday. You come on Sunday. Participate in the
Where I'm
concert.
coming
I will
from?
give you tickets. You come on
Yeah,
Sunday. Here we are going to
on
perform.
Sunday.
You come. I can give you a ticket. Yes.
Oh, thanks. Where are you going to perform?
They call the place. It's called, I think, Kigali Universe.
Ah, Chigari Universe. Coach Guy. That one. The owner is a Coach Guy and the Blues Melody.
You
Yeah,
know that place.
I know.
Is there? Is there? We are going to perform on Sunday.
Yes, I know. At Ishike House. Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
Chigari
That
Universe. The owner is a Coach Guy. Do you know Bruce Melody?
Chris Melody. I don't know. I don't know him.
Oh, then who invited you to perform? Is it Coach
We
Guy
are
or is
performing.
are you an artist?
We're gonna perform. We're gonna perform with Jose Chameleon. We're gonna perform
Ah,
live.
Jose Chameleon. You are together
Yeah.
with him. Ah, but
Yes.
the many days ago I heard that Jose Chameleon is a sick.
Yeah,
He
but
was
now it's
suffering
okay.
he was suffering. Now he's okay.
He's now it's okay. He recovered as well.
Oh. Then how
Yeah.
will you give me a ticket? On WhatsApp? On where?
You send me message on private, then we shall talk there. How we can
But
link up.
you are Ugandan. Yes. Are you Ugandan?
I'm Congolese, but
You
I'm
are from
working in
Uganda.
Uganda. I'm
Oh.
Congolese, but I'm working in Uganda.
Ah,
We are
nice.
Africa. We are Africa.
Yo,
Yeah, man.
it's
Thank
good.
you.
Yeah. Then can you give me your WhatsApp number?
You send me message on my TikTok, then I will send you the number there.
Yeah.
All right.
So yeah, now we know each other. Then can I start to teach people how to make money on TikTok now? Then we listen to my tips. Then you can do it.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
you will thank me after getting money. Yes.
No one will refuse money, bro. If it is for right, I can run.
Yeah. Nice. So
Mutoni,
the,
Mutoni, someone is asking, Mutoni, you're asking me where did you sleep from? I'm, I'm in Rwanda. Sleeping in Rwanda. What kind of question is that?
maybe he is liking you. Maybe she is liking you.
She's asking where did you sleep from? She wants to know the name of the hotel. Oh, I don't understand.
Maybe she want to visit you.
Tony, you want to know the name of hotel? Rwanda is fine. I like Rwanda.
You like Rwanda?
Yes, the road
Oh,
is good. We tried to move yesterday. It was okay. And today's evening, we shall go somewhere, some places to visit Rwanda.
mm. Maybe, but I like Uganda.
Have you
I,
ever been
I,
in Uganda?
I have a dream to meet Museveni.
Meet to meet Museveni.
Yeah, I want to greet him and thank him because he did something good.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. One day
Mm.
it will. You will meet him one day, I think.
I will try my best.
Inshallah.
I'm but you are in practice.
Yeah. I'm just doing some
Uh,
exercise.
uh,
Yeah.
can you one day will teach me to I want to know how to play the piano.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, we shall plan how to do online lesson.
Yeah. But I mean Kigali we can meet.
Some courses online.
Yeah. Do you have a YouTube channel?
YouTube channel. No, I have just TikTok and Instagram.
Means you will teach me on TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because now we know each other. Then let me explain how you can make money and how to criticize the algorithm of TikTok.
Yeah, we shall talk. Bye bye.
Yeah. So,
Have a nice day.
they, yes. Are you not interested?
Not now. I say we shall talk.
Oh,
Yeah.
so then, but now I can show. But can I use English to teach my people,
Because
or I can use
there
it
is
in
some
Rwanda?
people
Uh,
they want to do it live.
mm, uh, but you don't use Kinyarwanda. You.
I'm staying in Kampala.
Okay. Let me use English. Yeah.
I'm saying we shall talk in private because someone wants to join live now. Okay?
Yes.
Is that fine?
Many people. I'm seeing many people are joining my live.
All right.
So after that, we know each other. I will like you. You will know me. I'm Albazni Twarayan. Then I wanted to teach people how to you can criticize the algorithm of TikTok. That is why I'm asking. Can I use Kinyarwanda or English?
You can use English.
English.
Yeah.
Okay. Those ones who understand the English, though, so they will understand me and they will try it. But I'm going to use the English one, but maybe tomorrow I will try to use Kinyarwanda because I have many followers in Rwanda, so I don't know if they all interested in English. That is why now let me use English in order to. You see, you are the first one I'm interacted. Sorry, I'm interacting with. So let me use English in order to make you more engaging on my account. Yep. So
Okay.
the first what
Come again?
I'm starting. I'm beginning to. I'm seeing many people joining. So the first thing you can do to to criticize the algorithm of TikTok is reaction, reacting to other people's content. You see, there are tips the TikTok use to give people points. Whether you watch the video of a content creator from beginning to the end, you get like 5 points. If you write a comment of 5 words, you get maybe it's a three, or I didn't write it because these are short paper. You get some points. If you repost, if you repost it to your followers, you get some points. If you add it to your story, you get some points. If you write a comment of 5 words, you get a points. That is why that points they TikTok keep it in a storage, then they add it. Though, if TikTok found that you are interested in on TikTok and you are liking other people's content, they will make you viral to get money. Many people will know your account. They will, but if you are not there to react to other people's videos, TikTok will find that you are not engaged on it. You're not
Okay.
interested. That's why many people are down. They're not getting followers. That is the first point. Point number two is a live streaming
Okay.
like this. Like this. That's why I'm making live. If you many people are joining, saying hi to them. If you join live streaming, many followers will come to you because if you make a live, TikTok share your account to many people to come and join like this. Many people are joining, and yesterday I got 3K likes. That is why you see the if you make a live, many people will found that your account. They will TikTok and TikTok will find that you are interested. You are making people happy, you are teaching people. If you have, but if you're making live with a good content, it's more important than making live without planning. That's why like this yesterday I got 100 followers because of a live of 30 minutes, because I had no time to do that. So if you make more live, TikTok will share your account and you will boost. After boosting, you will get money. Then tip number three is uh, TikTok creator search insight. This is this word is being updated according to the year. For example, now we are in 2025, right?
Mm-hmm.
TikTok creator search insight 2025. You will find more content that is being searched by many people.
Mm-hmm.
Then after getting that content, it will motivate you to 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 do the same content like that. Then TikTok you will boost because you are making what people are searching for on TikTok. Then you will get more engagements, get more people who are interested on your content. Then you will boost and get money.
Okay.
Yeah. Another thing is consistency.
Okay.
Consistent is keeping making more videos. Um, if you
Everything.
eh, eh, in everyday in our life, everyday life, if you are you have a consistent heart to you have a consistency to do more. Today is a good, tomorrow is a bad. Today is good, now we can go viral, tomorrow no, and not today viral, tomorrow not. But if you keep making more than people need, you will the social media will find that you are sorry, well, how can I say it? Because of using the mock in Rwanda,
Say
English,
it in Rwanda there.
some words to translate them is very difficult, but I can try. Like the social media, like TikTok, will find that you have a consistency to give more. Like 10 videos a day, 5 videos a day, then we boost. Will you see you can't share your account to if you want 10K followers, you can't share your account to 10K people. it can you can do. It's difficult. That is why you will wait TikTok until the algorithm understand your need, understand your content. Then because of those tips, if you follow them, then your account will boost. You will
Okay.
so one day, if you follow this, one day you will wake up in the morning and you will find your account getting more followers, and you will be surprised.
Okay.
Yep. Another thing you can do is a TikTok creator pilot program. You
Mm-hmm.
go in a search and find and write TikTok creator pilot program. This is a you see, you understand the pilot, people who fly a
Yeah.
plane. So this is the stage you join. It's not easy to join it. It you join it after making those tips consistent, all writing comments, selecting two videos, reposting. So if you join this pilot program, create a TikTok, create a pilot program, you if you write in a search TikTok creator pilot program, you will find that you are allowed or you are not allowed, and then you will see the needs of needs that you can do to join the TikTok creator pilot program. After joining that, your account will never go down. If you post every day, you react, even you see, sometimes we meet a video when you open a TikTok account and that video you don't like it, maybe you're not interested, but if you react whether you want or not. If you react, you will TikTok will understand that you are interested. That's why you will find a message telling you that you are allowed to join the TikTok creator program. That's all I have to tell you.
Oh, thank you so much, bro.
Yeah, but tomorrow I will translate them in Kinyarwanda to teach other people who don't use English.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, I like how you are interested on my content of today. I like
Yeah.
how you tell me that I can come for free. You give me a ticket to join your concert. So, but maybe tomorrow I will find many, maybe like 10 people who will join your show.
Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
but you can tell people to give me a gift.
Yeah.
Tell them to give me a gift because you have many needs in this life, so we need to buy something like machine, like what, paying a rent, like that.
All right, bro. Thank you.
Yeah. Maybe you can give me a gift and I will send you back another gift. We can share because we need the money.
All right.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Yeah.
So my life and now I don't have enough time because I'm going to my job. So maybe you told me the show is tomorrow.
It's Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah.
Sunday, but it's a difficult. But I will come because on Sunday and on Monday we have to go to the job to find money. So it's a difficult, but I will come.
Yeah, we shall be communicates, bro.
Yeah. So
Have,
maybe my followers were thinking that I have enough time, but today, 10 minutes are enough for a day.
all
So
right.
thank you, Cedric.
Welcome. Thank you, Mr. Nitwa.
Nitwa lion.
Hey, Nitkwa. All right.
Yep. Oh, now I'm following you.
Thank you, me too. I follow you back.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.